It had witnessed stars being born in fiery nebulae. It had skirted the event horizons of black holes, where time itself warps. It had drifted through the silent voids between galaxies, where darkness reigns for millions of years. And now, after an odyssey spanning billions of years, the probe was coming home. But home was not as it remembered. The sun has swollen into a crimson giant, its violent flares lashing at the remnants of Mercury and Venus. Earth, a scorched husk, its oceans boiled away, its continents cracked like dried clay. Humanity had fled, what few remained, to the icy moon Europa, now thawed into a fragile refuge. They remembered the probe, they had waited, and now, as their last star flickered toward oblivion, they hoped it carried answers, or at least one final story. And so, the probe began to speak. Before it left, the probe had one last mission: uncover the solar system's deepest mysteries. It found them in the ruins of Titan, Saturn's frozen moon, where rivers of methane still flowed beneath ice sheets thicker than mountains. It listened to the whispers of Jupiter's metallic hydrogen core, a substance so alien it defied earthly physics. And then it ventured beyond. The space between stars is not empty. It is a graveyard of lost comets, rogue planets, and cosmic rays that could pierce a starship's hull like paper. For 100,000 years, the probe drifted, its only companion the faint hum of pulsars, the universe's lighthouses. Then it found something unnatural. Algol, the demon star. Ancient cultures feared it. Modern astronomers were fascinated by it. Here, two stars danced a deadly waltz, while one, a vampire, siphoning the life from its twin. The other a corpse, its stolen energy blazing across the cosmos. The probe watched and learned. At the galaxy's center, space-time twisted into knots. Stars whipped past at unimaginable speeds, torn apart by tides stronger than supernova. The probe dared not linger, but as it fled, it caught a signal, ancient, repeating. A message, a warning. Most of the universe is nothing. Emptiness so vast it defies comprehension. Yet in the boat's void, the probe found the impossible, a crack in reality itself, a cosmic string, a relic from the birth of the universe. It was perfect, it was terrifying, and it might be the key to humanity's survival. The probe had one final choice: return to Europa with its secrets, or dive into the unknown. It chose the abyss. As it crossed the threshold, the last thing it transmitted was not data, not equations, but a single image: Earth, blue and vibrant as it once was.